Are you even going to be able to get them? Yeah. It's all purple.
We got 2 sets of tweezers.
Don't be scared.
This is where we prepare food.
It's okay. Sit up there. It's going to be easier for the light and everything. Lay down. Here, you want a pillow?
Do you want to get comfortable?
On the belly.
I don't like it.
Turn sideways.
Give her a pillow.
Here's your little pillow and that rest.
Do you want to hold my hand?
Okay.
Are they coming out easy?
We'll see.
Gross. What kind of focus? I gotta change the focus.
You don't have any sharper tweezers? That's all they did is implant ink, it looks like.
No, it looks like something in there.
Wyatt, you're a good doctor. Oh, Jason, go get some of that in your foot so I could pick it out.
Oh, yeah.
There's ants on the ceiling.
There's ants in here.
I don't think you can escape them when you're on an island. You can't escape insects.
How's your foot feel?
Fine.
You're
It
brave.
doesn't feel poisonous.
When I grow up, I'm gonna be just like you.
I can't. It just looks like they shot ink into you, baby.
You can't see anything?
It looks like there's one in there for sure.
You haven't taken any out yet?
Yeah, I'm trying to. It's just they're real brittle.
They're breaking off? What happens if I just leave it in there? Is it gonna get all fucked up?
Does that burn? Burns good though, right?
It's actually not really burning.
The little ones.
I think it already hurts anyway from those things getting in there, so...